Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to do frequency separation and also skin retouching. First of all, you have to create a duplicate of the picture by hitting on Ctrl plus G on Windows, and also in Mac. On Mac is Command plus G. So we hit Ctrl plus G on Windows. Let's choose our patch tool and remove the blemish on the face by circling on it and take it to a different layer on the face. Just circle where the pimples is and remove them. Remove the pimples on the face. Let's remove the pimples on the face. The pimples on the face. Well, I think it's okay. It's okay. I think this is okay. So next we need to next we need to create another layer, another duplicate of the picture. Name the top one high frequency and the down layer low frequency. Uncheck the high frequency and pick the low frequency layer. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, reduce the radius to 0. Let's look for more skin on the face. Well, so let's pick up the radius to 10 is too much, so 6. Yeah, 7 is okay. Check the top layer, choose image, apply image. Here we need to choose our layer frequency here. Blending mode should be subtract. Opacity should be 100. The channel RGB should be selected. Scale to offset 128 and preview should be checked. After then, come to the blend mode and choose linear light. Hold the control on the keyboard and select the two pictures and select group from layers. We name it skin, hit OK. Now make sure to uncheck the high frequency layer and select the low frequency layer. Now come to the tool here and select mixture brush. Make sure to select clean brush. Select this one, should be cancel custom. Width should be 100%, load 75, mix is 90%, and flow 100. So gradually let's hold the mouse and paint on the face. Let's hold the mouse and paint on the face gradually. Let's paint the face. paint on the face gradually. Reduce the, make sure the hardness is 0%. Let's do it gradually. At this point, you need to take your time and paint on the face, or brush on the face. Just keep painting on the face. So this was before and this now. So we are not done with it. Next we select our lasso tool, select the face, select the face, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now we need to multiply the 7 by 3, which is 21. Select OK. Select the face, select filter, Gaussian blur. Select the face, Gaussian blur, filter, Gaussian blur. Remember, we are still using radius of 21, which is 7 multiplied by 3. So we select the nose. And here you can see after we've applied the Gaussian blur, now the nose is flat, so we need to right click on the nose and choose fade Gaussian blur, reduce the opacity to 50, choose this part, the nose, and also give it a blur. Choose this part of the nose and give it a blur. Give it blur. The face. Okay. So this was then, this now, this was then, this now. Now let's work on the hand here. Give it a blur. Now let's use the hand. Give it a blur. So this was then, this now. So now we need to make sure the picture look very nice we're going to make the picture pop up. So we select our levels, make sure we work on the levels too. Make sure we work on the levels. Let's work on the levels. See, it has affected the whole picture, so what we'll do is hold on Control on the keyboard plus the I to invert, pick our brush and brush. Make sure your foreground color is white and the background is black, and work on the picture. Picture, paint on it. Make sure to choose opacity should be 100. So we're working in the picture. Make sure you get you're making sure a picture pop up. So continue watching. So this was then and now. So now what we'll do is, we are not done with it. Select an, we choose our levels, hold the Alt key on the keyboard and drag it on it. Now invert it by hitting on Control plus I on the keyboard, and play with the layers on the keyboard. So this was then and now. This was then and now. So we are not done with it. Now let's choose filter, go to camera roll, filter, and play with the texture level by reducing the texture by 47 or 50. The contrast should be up. Contrast should be up a little. Black should be down small. Hit OK. So this was before and this now. So you can see now the picture look very beautiful on there. Picture look very beautiful. This was then and this now. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a video you get the notification, and also motivate me to bring more of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.